Car insurance is a type of policy that provides financial protection in case of an accident or theft involving a vehicle. Car insurance policies can be tailored to meet the specific needs of individual drivers and may include coverage for damages to the vehicle, medical expenses, and liability for injuries to others. When purchasing car insurance, there are several factors to consider, including the level of coverage needed, the deductible amount, and the cost of the policy. Drivers should also be aware of any discounts or incentives that may be available, such as safe driver discounts or discounts for multiple policies with the same insurer. In the event of an accident or other covered event, car insurance can help to mitigate the financial impact of damages, injuries, and other losses. Depending on the policy, car insurance may cover the cost of repairs to the vehicle, medical expenses for the driver and passengers, and liability for damages or injuries to other people or property. It's important for drivers to review their car insurance policy regularly and make updates as needed to ensure that they have adequate coverage. Changes in driving habits, such as a longer commute or the addition of a new driver to the household, may warrant a change in the level of coverage needed. In conclusion, car insurance is an important protection for drivers and can provide peace of mind in the event of an accident or theft. By carefully considering the level of coverage needed and regularly reviewing their policy, drivers can ensure that they are adequately protected on the road. Additionally, car insurance is required by law in most states in the United States. This means that drivers must have a minimum level of coverage in order to legally operate a vehicle. Failure to have car insurance can result in fines, license suspension, and other legal consequences. There are several types of car insurance coverage that drivers can choose from, including liability insurance, collision insurance, and comprehensive insurance. Liability insurance is the most basic type of coverage and is required by law in most states. It covers damages and injuries to other people and their property if you are at fault in an accident. Collision insurance covers damages to your own vehicle in the event of an accident, regardless of fault. Comprehensive insurance covers damages to your vehicle caused by events such as theft, vandalism, and natural disasters. When shopping for car insurance, it's important to compare quotes from multiple insurers in order to get the best possible rate. In addition to the cost of the policy, drivers should consider the reputation and customer service of the insurer, as well as the level of coverage offered. In summary, car insurance is an essential protection for drivers that can provide financial peace of mind in the event of an accident or theft. It is important for drivers to carefully consider their coverage needs and regularly review their policy to ensure that they are adequately protected. By comparing quotes from multiple insurers and selecting a reputable provider, drivers can get the best possible coverage at a competitive price. Thanks for watching.